Yeah, good morning. It's Jim from JPY.com. It is Monday, the 13th of October, 2025. Just going to have a look at some of the new trades and some trade management from today using the high probability and divergence trading methods from my books. These are all Forex pairs on the daily time frame. So we'll just look at that. All right, first up, we got CAD. Now, just remember there's some big news over the weekend. Friday, there's a couple of things happening. Obviously, the US is still in shutdown, I think it was. And there's the threats of more tariffs towards China. I'm not sure what's going on there, but it's created a bit of havoc in the markets, obviously. So just be careful. So CAD for me, it's a loss recovery, but it's a new sell trade today. So there's a sell taken here at 091024. Don't worry about this too much. This is all my loss recovery. I've got trades to make up losses on. These are my targets down here. But there's a sell here. It's a high risk trade. You can read my notes just here a bit. High risk is price is already at the moving averages. So we're taking a sell based on this resistance level on price here, which is good. I like that. But the price is at the moving averages already. And the MACD Platinum, which is just a zero lag MACD, is already through the zero level. So it's not ideal setup, but I'm committed to loss recovery, so I'm taking it. If you were going to trade the traditional way with a stop in place, your stop would be up just below the red dot there, the red QMP filter dot. So it's all a bit messy. Big candle on Friday and sort of open sort of in the lower half of it on Monday. A little uncertainty there. Aussie, Japanese yen, similar sort of scenario. There's a sell. It's a high risk trade going against the trend. You can see my sell there at 98.817 today, this morning. I'm still in a buy trade from back here, which is good. That was a loss recovery, which recovered the loss and now in a profitable position. Can't lose on that, unless there's a big gap, obviously. We've got regular bearish divergence here on this sell. MACD Platinum's above the zero level. Again, the price is at the MAs, but it's opened up a bit higher, which is good. So we just got to wait and see, be a bit patient. What's Bitcoin? I've got it on my chart here. I was in a buy trade and I stopped out. Now possibly setting up for another buy trade. We're stuck in no man's land between the 100,000 and the 120,000 at the moment. Euro Aussie is our next cab off the rank. New buy trade today. Again, big candle on Friday because of the market uncertainty. There's a support level on price here. It's not great setup. The MACD Platinum's just below the zero level, which is not ideal. Remember, I'm buying when it's below the zero level and selling when it's above the zero level. It's an oscillator. So taking a buy today and 178.453. Again, that's a big candle. Makes me a little bit gun shy, but I'm going to take the trade anyway. I'm committed to it. What else have I got here? Pound Aussie. Oh yeah, I stopped out in the sell. Still in this buy from back here on the 18th of September. There's a buy there, which is good. I stopped out myself for profit. All right, pound Swiss, next one. All right, I took this buy here, which wasn't ideal, but there's a good support level on price. So that was taken back on the 30th of September. Then there's this reversal today. Monday, there's a red QMP filter dot. MACD Platinum's above the zero level, trends down. So I basically closed the buy. Only took a small loss there. It was $17.05 or something. So I've taken a slightly bigger position size because I go in a loss recovery mode. So there's a sell today, trade to sell at 106.983. These are my loss recovery targets, which aren't far away at all. Hopefully I'll just push down towards that aqua blue line there. I can at least remove some of the risk on that trade. It's all stuck in a very tight sort of, this big support level's creating a bit of grief, I think. And the trend's down, but it's been sort of sideways for a while now. So closed the buy this morning and took a new sell, and I've got loss recovery there, which we're pretty close to already, so it's no big deal. New Zealand CAD. I was in this buy from back here on the 2nd of October. It was a higher-ish trade, but the MACD pattern was below the zero level. Now today there's a sell signal. The red, it's not a valid one because the MACD pattern's below the zero level. Remember I said I'm selling when it's above the zero level. So it's not ideal. But what I've done is I've closed my buy, taken a loss there of $70.05, and now I'm just waiting for a loss recovery, hopefully another buy. In the meantime, there's potential regular bullish divergence forming there. I just keep on adjusting these trend lines every day. See how we go. See if we can recover that loss there. So there's a loss of $70.05. Just closed it. And the only other new trade is gold, XAU USD. This level up here is the 4,000 level, which is a big round number. There was a sell signal today. Generally, I don't like shorting metals or crypto. Just stick to the buy side. That's my new sort of train of thought. However, price is such a long way from the moving averages. The MACD pattern's a long way above the zero level. There's regular bearish divergence. We're at the 4,000 level, which is a big round number. So I'm going to take the sell. I can always work my way out of it if need be. I did have a couple of previous trades where I did make some money, so I did want to try and recover this loss. There was a loss on the last sell I took, which was in here. I closed on this opposite QMP filter dot on that sell, took that loss there, but I was still in a buy from down here, so I made actually about $550, so it was no drama there. All right, that's it. Thanks for watching. Enjoy your day, and I'll talk to you good folk another day. Cheers.